Hello everyone, I'm here with an update on the Miller 250DX Pulsar Sequencer project. This project has concluded. These are the retail boards here. They have been selling pretty well. I have them on my website, I have them on eBay, and I have them on Amazon. eBay and Amazon, the price is a lot more because they take their 15-20% cut. Here's the pulsar for the 250DX Legacy flat face. This is the sequencer for it. Here's the more modern one. Here's the sequencer. Now, for testing these, I was using my workbench, and it was just a cluster. So I decided to make something that looks like it's from the DeLorean time machine from Back to the Future. So that's this. This is a pulsar sequencer tester. This is my in-house tool. If you see that LED right there, I can hit the button and I can test the button. LED comes on the button, so I know the wiring is correct. All these LEDs will come on when it's powered up. Shows me that I got 3.6 volts, and all the LEDs look even. There's not one dim, not one bright. Okay, so then I go on to potentiometer testing. These are basically 8 digital multimeters, and these potentiometers swing from 0 to 5 volts. They are laid out in the exact same as they are on the boards. Got cotty hair. So we'll start with this bottom corner here. Goes from 0 volts to about 5 volts. Now I've caught a couple potentiometers after assembling during testing to where they won't shut off. They will be right about there, 0.3. So you want them to go completely to 0 and about 5 volts. These I have not calibrated, so, but we could just turn that to 5 volts. Go up to this one, go 5 volts, go over to here. 5 volts. Go there, 5 volts. There, 5 volts. Same with these. And I have certain angles I test. So to show you the first one, when the split for the knob, I'll just grab a board that's not hooked up. When this split here is completely vertical, it should be about 0.7 to 0.75 volts, so 0.73. .73. It's about where they end up. So if you look at this board, all of them are pretty much vertical. And these meters are not that sensitive, so it's not like my 6.5 digit flukes and siglants. So but this one here should come up about there. So when I go through my clock sequence here, all of them should be pretty darn close to each other. If there's anything out, I fix it before it goes out. But I test these after assembly, after they've came out of the ultrasonic cleaner and dried. Then when prior to shipment, I test them again. So they get tested minimum 3 times. So right after assembly, after the ultrasonic cleaner, and prior to shipment. So this makes testing these a whole lot easier. So, and it's battery powered. This has all been going off a 9-volt. So I will link in the description if you want to buy these. You can get them off my website. That's the best price, or you can get them off of eBay or Amazon. We'll catch y'all later.